Hello everyone and welcome to Shuri Tech Classes, and today we will understand the concept of AI project cycle. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting AI project cycle, let's first understand the importance of planning. We all know that proper planning is the key to success. For example, you are preparing for class 10 exams. Then, how do you plan to prepare for your studies? I think first of all, you must have asked some questions from yourself, like how much time is left for exams, how many subjects do I have to prepare, how much time is required to prepare each subject, from where I can study. Well, making your mind clear, you must have collected some study material, some books, some notes, some videos, some sample papers, some question papers, some question banks. Now, out of all the material that you have collected, some content is really good, but some is totally useless. Agree? So, you will start learning from the useful material. After learning, you will analyze your preparation also. Once you are well prepared, you will appear for your exam and then you will get success for sure. Means you will be following a proper process to prepare for your exams. Let's take another example. Suppose you want to make a greeting card to present to your mother on her birthday. Here again, you will follow a proper process. First of all, you will explore internet to get some ideas. Once some idea strikes your mind, you will collect the material required to make it. And after collecting the material required, you will make the card. And if you find the card beautiful, you will present it to your mother. Right? Means for everything that you want to do, you need to follow a proper process. And that process can have certain list of steps. Even if you are preparing a cup of tea, you need to follow a certain process, right? Means if we want to create an AI based application, then also we need to follow certain process. And that process is called AI project cycle. AI project cycle is a step-by-step process to solve problems using proven scientific methods and drawing inferences about them. Means there are certain steps which are scientifically proven, and we just need to follow those steps, and by following that process step by step, we automatically lead towards our goal of developing an AI based application. AI project cycle is actually the life cycle of an AI project. And here we have some stages of AI project cycle. The very first step is to define the problem. Means we need to clearly define the problem and understand its requirements and constraints. Then we collect data that can be used to train the AI model. Now, whatever data we have collected, some of the data will be useful and some will be useless. So, we need to pre-process the data. Means we need to remove the noise and irrelevant information. This step is extremely important because the quality of the data will directly impact the accuracy of the model, right? Once we are satisfied with the data that we have collected, we choose an algorithm that we are going to use to create our AI model. There are many different AI algorithms available, such as linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, neural networks, and so many other algorithms. After choosing the algorithm, we develop the model and then we train the model with the data that we have already collected and pre-processed. During the training process, model learns from the data and adjusts its parameters to optimize performance. After training the model, we need to evaluate its performance using the testing dataset. This step helps us to understand how well the model is performing and whether it needs to be improved or not. And if we are satisfied with the model's performance, we deploy it to solve real world problems, means making it available to the end user. After deployment also, we keep monitoring its performance and make necessary updates or improvements whenever required. Actually, the AI project cycle is an iterative process, which means that we may need to go back and repeat some of the steps if we encounter problems and find ways to improve the model's performance. So, if I summarize, we actually follow these 5 steps in AI project cycle: problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploration, data modeling, and evaluation. Problem scoping means identifying a problem and having a vision to solve it. Data acquisition means collecting data that can be used to train an AI model from various reliable and authentic sources. Data exploration means reprocessing the data to remove any noise or irrelevant information, exploring the patterns, and visualizing it. Data modeling means selecting the most suitable algorithm and then develop a model using that algorithm and then training it to find the desired output. And evaluation means testing your model on some new data and then evaluating the model's performance and improving it if required. So these were the 5 stages of AI project cycle. In our next video, we will discuss the first step, problem scoping, in detail.